I'm Tamarack Broha. Welcome back to TBX. RC car jump over 10,000 people. Here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
You guys can't move.
I'm not moving.
This is my grandma. She was the person I first did my bike jump over the grandma with. And how do you feel being jumped over by an RC car?
Well, it was very exciting.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Were you scared it was gonna hit you?
Yes, very scared. But
Well,
it didn't.
I'm glad you did it because we needed lots of people.
Right. 1 of 10,000.
Yes. And now, Liam. What are your thoughts on this RC car jump?
I don't know. I don't know.
I was concerned about the driver. First attempt you started swerving up, I thought you were gonna just go really slow and land on all of us.
Okay. Sujata, what are your words?
Oh, we survived.
Ilif,
I believe the car did, in fact, hit my camera on the way up, but it was pretty awesome. Would do again.
thank you.
I believe.
I was scared being in the back, but in the end it wasn't too bad.
Would do again.